There are 3 different methods to install the doorbell. The first one, you can install the doorbell by 3M sticker. First, paste the white side. Before paste, you need to match the hole between sticker and bracket. The sticker white side needs to paste to the bracket, and the right side paste to the wall. Slowly and neatly paste the sticker. Next, press it completely. Mark the position about 1.2 meter or 48 inches high from the ground. Clean the wall surface. Remove the red film. Please check the logo shall be on the top side. Paste the bracket to the wall and press it completely. Hang the doorbell on the bracket. Push the doorbell button and you will easily push the screw in. Remove the protective film before using. The second method, you can install the doorbell by drilling and screws. Find the suitable position about 1.2 meter or 48 inches high from the ground. Clean the wall surface. Please note the bracket logo shall be on the top side. Using the pencil to mark the hole position. Using the 6mm drill bit to drilling holes. Screw tightly the bracket. Hang the doorbell on the bracket. Push the doorbell button and you will easily push the screw in. Remove the protective film before using. The third method, you can install the doorbell by screws and 15-degree wedge. You can place the angle wedge to the right or left. Depends on your door view needed. Screw tightly the angle wedge. Take the bracket and note the bracket logo shall be on the top side. Screw tightly the bracket. Hang the doorbell on the bracket. Please note to insert doorbell top side first and next the bottom side. Fix the screw and finish the installation. Remove the protective film before using. Any question, please feel free to tell us. Thank you.